Alright, g'day guys. Now we're on to 14.08 from Alpha, which is using a table to solve an equation. Right, so sometimes we're given a formula and asked to solve it. But instead of just doing it through our normal algebraic way, we can use a table. Now, to the left here is a pattern of hexagons. So here's my one hexagon, my second part of my pattern is 2, my third part of the pattern is 3. In there are a number of matches. So this first hexagon here is made up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagons. 6 matches. The second one is made up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. Now, in this equation, M is going to equal the number of matches, right? And N is going to equal the number of hexagons. Alright, funny spelling there, but it's good. Okay, so what we're being asked to do is how many hexagons can be made from 41 matches. Okay, so we're trying to get 5n plus 1 equals, instead of m, equals 41 matches. And a nice simple way to do this is with a table. Alright, on one side we're going to have the number of hexagons, and on the other time we're going to have m, which is my matches. And now we're just going to use substitution like we did in the first series of algebra. So when n equals 1, we're going to get 5 times 1 plus 1, which equals 6. We'll just move this all over a bit. Okay. Next, when n equals 2, we're going to get 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 1, which is 11, and so on. We can keep going. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, 5 times 4, my voice is really going now, it's 20 plus 1, 21, okay, and it's going to move this up a little bit more. Next we've got 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1, 26. 5 times 6, we're using that same old pattern, it's 31, 7. 5 times 7 plus 1 is 36. Almost there. Remember, what we're actually trying to get to is 41. And let's see if we go with 8. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. Now what you have to be really careful with these kind of questions is that you answer that original question. So my original question was, how many matches will I need, how many hexagons will I get if I have 41 matches? Okay, so now we're just going to write a little statement at the end with 41 matches, you will have 8 hexagons. Alright, because here I've got my 8 hexagons coming from my 41 matches. Obviously you could also use normal algebra to solve this, which would have been very easy. 5n plus 1 equals 41. Okay, move the 1 across and I get 5n equals 41 minus 1 is 40. Then I'm going to divide by 8. Divide by 5 and I get my answer is n equals 8. Again, even if you did it this way, you must then write it in words. There are lots of questions on page 203 that you can do with this kind of format. I think it's also 204. Give them a go. Some of them are quite hard. But remember, you can always come back to have a look at this. Likewise, you can talk to your teacher. See you later, guys.